What is up, everybody? Welcome to today's video. My name is Alex, of course, and today we're gonna be doing something very much different that I've been wanting to do ever since I got my wheels for the FRS. You see, we got here, it's called Rust-Oleum Metallic All-Surface Paint and Primer, Dark Steel, and we're gonna change these wheels to that color. So they're gonna be now one color only. No more of the two-tone. So let's see how that goes. Let me start by taking them off. And yeah, take a good look. Okay, here we have it. Now what we're gonna do is sand it down a little bit, just to create an even surface. I'm also gonna try to get rid of all these imperfections, as you can see. And yeah, we'll go from there. Hopefully the color is not too dark. I want them to look a little bit lighter than these. I think it'll look really good for the car. So yeah, let's see how that goes. So here we have a bit of an update. We've been hitting it with 120 grit and it seems to be working really well. I used my Dremel to sort of smooth out the edge, as you can see. We're almost ready to just wash it and then hit it with the first coat. So it's looking really good. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Alright, so there's about 2 coats in. Paint, don't mind the tire. You see it's pretty much done. I shouldn't even be running this tire anymore, so I don't really care if it has like overspray. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. I like that it has like a lot of sparkle. So yeah, it looks completely different. It's awesome. I decided to just paint over the Koenig logo because it's not a sponsored thing anyway, so whatever. If they get upset, they get upset. So yeah. I'm having a little bit of a hard time hitting these like side angles. So I guess I'll just go over them whenever the rest of it is dry. So yeah. Alrighty, so remember, this is the before. And now, after. So yeah, there you guys have it. I still have to do the other side, but this took quite a long time, so I'm gonna do it off camera. And I'll let you guys know what it looks like. So remember, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next one.